Finally got the catch can hooked up as it should be. Got the intake plenum blocked off. Then ran a line from the PCV to the catch can right there. As you can see, it's vented. Then got some heater hose at Napa. Ran it all the way back. The other PCV located right here on the far back valve cover. Yeah, I had to take my cold air intake line, and that was already hooked up to the intake, pull it off there and get a fitting and run it to the heater hose. It's right under there, right under the throttle body. Kind of a bitch to get through with your hands. But yeah, you just got to sneak past that little TPS sensor right there and get to it. Yeah, so PCV is positive crankcase ventilation. What that does is all the blow-by gases that slip past the piston rings, it kind of mix with oil, and the idea is to try to burn them off in the intake manifold so we don't pollute the environment. But fuck that, because that just coats the plenum with just a whole bunch of oil, and it gets really disgusting, and it can get all the way into your intake ports and then just coat your valves with carbon buildup. With the heat, it just kind of makes this carbon substance, and that can change your compression, which can cause pre-ignition and detonation, which can be catastrophic for your engine. And here's a look at a plenum that I found at the junkyard. I pulled it off. I was gonna maybe use it, paint it, fuck around with it, but I saw what happened, and look at this. This is absolutely disgusting. All from a PCV, because these VQ unit motors are known to just kind of recycle oil like this. It's just all coated right at the top, and then you can see right in there, right into the intake runners. It's just a fucking bath of oil right there in the middle. It's absolutely disgusting. The right side PCV valve is probably the worst, because that has a line directly into your air intake, and with that air intake sucking in all that air, it literally just sucks out all that PCV oil right out of the crankcase. So it's like directly that's sucking it right into the plenum.